Welcome to Botanical Auras. As our journey through the botanical world continues, we are stepping into the quiet resilience of lavender, exploring its capacity for deep rest through plant knowledge, simple rituals, and soundscapes. Lavender carries a clarifying aroma and a grounding presence that instantly shifts the atmosphere in a room. In herbal traditions, it is a profound nervine ally, cooling, purifying, and relied upon to anchor the nervous system. And modern research suggests lavender's aromatic compounds, especially linalool, may support the body's stress response and encourage a calmer, rest and restore state. Part of lavender's softness is shaped by where it grows. Bright sun, lean soil, wind, and heat. Under pressure, the plant concentrates its fragrance, adapting to harsh conditions by deepening the chemistry of its oils. It's a beautiful paradox, a rugged landscape, distilled into something gentle. You can see that steadiness in its architecture. Lavender belongs to the mint family, often growing with square stems, lifting stacked whorls of tiny blossoms, orderly, geometric, quietly upward, like it's always reaching for light. The name lavender is often linked to the Latin lavare, to wash, a nod to old traditions of scenting cloth in everyday spaces. Lavender has long been an herb of the home, tucked into linens and pillows not for spectacle, but for atmosphere. It blooms on its own time, drawing bees, storing summer into oil. Year after year it returns, fragrance built drop by drop, reminding us that true rest is not a switch. It's something we grow. So as we begin this chapter, let's pause and take in lavender. Its structure, its scent, its medicine, and its quiet memory. Not just as a fragrant herb, but as an offering of peace.